Hello, I'm here to show. My name is Christopher Somali, and I'm here to showcase the ECE 4122 Advanced Programming Techniques Lab 4 CUDA and SFML project focused on implementing the game of life, Johnny Conway's game of life. So right now I'm already in Case Ice, and I'm gonna navigate to the builds folder so that I can build the make file. Okay, great. So now we've successfully built the project. So I'm going to navigate to the executable file and pass in a bunch of parameters associated to modify the game inputs. For right now, begin by passing in the default game parameter inputs, such as the number of threads being 32, number of threads per block being 32, the cell size being 5, the window width being 800, the window height being 600, and the type of memory allocation being normal. And so far, when it comes to the speeds, it's or the time it takes used to run, it is showcased on the terminal. I will exit really quickly and repeat that. Okay, we're going to continue on this demonstration with the other types of memory allocation. So the next one we will showcase is pin. Cool. And for each of these, then the next type of memory allocation we'll showcase is manage. Cool. Now to illustrate that there are default parameters set in place, I would be able to just run the executable without any like inputs, and it will automatically configure it for 32 threads, cell size being 5, window width being 800, window height being 600, and the type of memory allocation being normal. Now, if I'm going to exit out of this, if I were to modify some of these game parameters, such as the number of threads being 64, for instance, um, cell size being 2, no, um, yeah, 2, window width being, let's say, 500, and window height being 500, with normal memory allocation. And then I'll cycle through with all the other different types of memory allocations. Okay. Now I'll showcase it for pinned. Now I'll showcase it for managed. And to reiterate, at least for the beginning demonstration, you only really need to have, if you want to be able to change different types of memory allocations, whenever you're running the game, all you have to do is just pass in the end parameter. So default, normal, this is what we've seen earlier. Power to change the pin. Master instrument. Cool. And I think that is all for this demo. Thank you for taking the time to watch this. Have a good one.